Meet my familia. This is my mother Lourdes. This is my brother Giancarlo. This is my sister Chelsea, my mom's husband Carlos, and the baby of the family, Mia. Tulum is 2 hours away from Cancun and is part of the Riviera Maya, which is a district south of Cancun. The district is composed of many beautiful places such as Playa del Carmen and ends with Punta Allen. On our first day in Tulum, we went to a cenote called Zacil-Ha, which means clear water in Spanish. It was one of the cheapest cenotes that we found and is only 15 minutes away from downtown. We paid 80 pesos per person, which translates to $5 per person. Inside you can rent snorkel gear and purchase drinks, snacks, and meals. Ready?
No, it's not the water. Oh, you can look at it. Do I go out like this?
Yeah. You guys have to get in.
It is cold, so go for it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go first, Mia.
You're not. You know the life jacket's gonna make you float.
Need a hand?
Thank you. There you go. Grab onto the rope.
No, no te pendejo.
Thank you. There you go.
It's not as bad if you're inside the water. I know, I'm not there yet.
Oh,
We have to make it look majestic. Okay.
yes.
Give me 1 second.
Hi, ¿cómo están? ¿Les gusta cómo el profe se tira en el cenote? I'm an expert.
Ready? Persínate. No, jump. No se siente nada. Mom, it's like this much. Look how far it is. We'll jump together?
Así estaba yo la primera vez, amor, pero ya quiero tener el mío, ya estuvo.
Lo tengo que hacer pues si me da.
You're gonna leave Mexico.
I'm scared.
1, 2, 3, go.
Yes, go.
Tú puedes.
Got it.
You have to be fearless, Mia, fearless.
You can do it. Whenever you're ready.
You can pay 5 pesos, which is almost 25 cents, so that you can jump into the water via a zip line. You got it, Mia! live in Los Angeles and you cannot find cenotes, let alone any natural body of water that is as clean and clear as cenotes in Tulum. Thank you guys so much for watching and joining the adventures. Make sure to subscribe to never miss a video. Click the bell notification to be the first to watch. And let's be friends on social and tell me about your travels to Tulum on Instagram at hola.sheryl. Adios amigos, hasta luego.